What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Tamara. Welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So today's video is going to be about the Tory Burch Perry Bombe Mini bag. I recently did an unboxing on this bag and you guys really seem to like it, so I figured, hey, might as well do a review to let them know the pros and cons, if I like it or not, what I like about it, what can I put in it, so on, so forth, etc. And just going forward, I just want to say that my videos are probably going to be like a little bit more chill and relaxed, kind of vlog style going forward, just because I feel like I'm a little less fake and I want you guys to see like my real personality. And when it's super structured, like I mess up a ton and it's just not fun for me. And let's just begin. So anyways, this is the Tory Burch Perry Bombe Mini bag. I have it in black. This just has the Tory Burch emblem right here on front. Super cute. Love that. Reminds me of the Gucci camera bag, I believe it is. I love that bag. Kind of want it. You guys comment down below. Let me know like what bag I should get, because I'm in between like the Gucci and I'm in between a YSL. I don't know. But anyways, back to the bag. So this bag has 3 compartments. It has a front zip compartment, a back zip compartment, and another little compartment in the back that is magnetized. It's a pretty good size back there. You can fit like change or something maybe not super important. It is a very strong magnet, so I'm not really worried about putting something in there and something falling out. And if you're gonna get this bag, then you shouldn't really be either. I feel like it's strong enough. This bag does have gold hardware, so the zippers are gold, and then the strap attachments are also gold. I really like this bag because I feel like you can either dress it up or dress it down. So yeah, casual, fancy, however you want it. I feel like this bag is like great for it. So let's go through what I have in the bag and what the bag can fit in here. So let's just start with the back compartment. So this back compartment, as you can see, this bag is actually pretty spacious. So right now, all I have in there is just like a little perfume. And then this back compartment also has like another little separate compartment, if you guys can see right here. And I just have like some gift cards in there. I don't have much in this bag right now because it's currently like during the week, and most of my stuff I'm putting back into my work bag because I use a much bigger bag for work purposes. So moving on to the front of the bag. So opening up the front compartment here. So this compartment I feel like is just as big as the back. I feel like they're very nicely equally sectioned. So in this back part here, I just have like way too many lip glosses apparently. So I have like a Glossier lip gloss. I have a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. God. I have a Bombe.com from Glossier. I'm obsessed with lip products. I'm obsessed with lip products. Not a bad obsession to have. I have my lactase drops because I am lactose intolerant. And I also have my knife because I always have protection on me, so think twice. So that is all I have in my bag. I feel like this bag fits a fair amount if you're just using it on weekends to go out or to go shopping. I feel like it fits the amount of things that you need. Obviously, if you have a kid and you need to maybe take like more stuff, then you're gonna need like a bigger bag. Also, I have the iPhone XS, which I'm currently filming on, but it fits comfortably and nicely in this bag. I guess if there had to be a con, it would be the strap here. I don't really like how this ends up a little bit bent, because even though there's this little like attachment here, I don't know if you guys can see it, this little attachment here, and it's supposed to help like keep the strap down, but it's almost not tight enough to like really keep it in place. So I'm not super nitpicky, but I guess if there had to be a con, like that would be one. Not really a deal breaker for me. I actually really love the bag and highly suggest it for anyone who is looking for a nice small designer crossbody bag, and the price actually was not that bad on it either. So I will leave this link down below for anyone who's interested, because it's a great bag and I honestly recommend it. So I guess that's all I really have to say about the bag. If you guys have any more questions for me, you can leave them down in the comments below. subscribe to my channel, and like this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Bye.